All right, for the next part, part D, we're going to be building a 2-bulb in series circuit. And so in series means in the same path, and so to build this, what we're going to have to do is insert bulb 2 into the circuit. So we have power coming out of bulb 1, and quickly before I do that, pay attention to how bright bulb 1 is, as we're going to use that as comparison to when we have 2 bulbs in the circuit. So we have power coming out of 1, or out of the power supply into 1, and we want that to go then into 2. And so we're just going to plug bulb 2 in, and then we're going to take our power that goes back to the power supply and plug that into 2. So now we have 2 lit bulbs, and as you can see, they are a little bit dimmer. And so based on this, we can answer the following questions after part for 2. And then we're going to make some measurements. So we need the voltage of the power supply, the voltage of bulb 1, and the voltage of bulb 2. So the power supply is easy. It's given to us on the power supply screen, and we're still at our 12.0 volts. But to measure individual elements, remember, we're going to use our voltmeter to plug into parts of the circuit so that we can measure elements individually. And so if we look at bulb 1, we're going to get 6.40 volts. And then if we go to bulb 2, we're going to get 5.85 volts. And now for one final test, for something in series, what do you think is going to happen when you remove one element from the circuit? And so to do that, we're going to unscrew a bulb. And so what happens to the other bulb, bulb 1, when we unscrew bulb 2? And as you may have noticed, the entire circuit went out. And so this isn't dissimilar from the switch in that we've now opened the circuit, there's nowhere for the current to flow. And then as we screw the bulb back in, you can see that both of the bulbs light up again.